Hello everyone, my name is Anisha More and today's date is 29th of November and today topic name is interface. So interface in a Java, it is the blueprint of a class. Interface is just like a class but it's not a class. In the interface creating by using interface keyword, then in the interface only abstract method it is available. It does not allow to the regular method. Then in the interface we can use to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in the Java. It can use to achieve loose coupling. All method of the interface declare with the empty body. Then for creating the abstract method in the inheritance, it does not use the abstract keyword before the method because in the interface only abstract method are present. Then we can't extend the interface. If you want to implement abstract method, then you have to use implement keyword over there. We can implement abstract method in the class. Then we can access the method by using creating the object of the class. In the inheritance, the variable are declared with public, static and final by default. In the Java, interface is also represent is a relationship. It cannot be instantiated by just like a abstract class. Then interface can have a abstract method and variable. It cannot have a method body. A class can be a implement by any number of the interface. Then coming to the next point, that is the advantages and disadvantages of the interface. So first is the advantages of the interface. First point, it is the mainly used to provide polymorphic behavior. Then interface function is break up the complex design between the object. Then disadvantages of the interface is Java interface are slower and more limited other classes, and interface should be used multiple number of times. These are the advantages and disadvantages of the interface. And the syntax of the interface, it is the interface name in curly bracket, abstract method curly bracket close. This is the syntax of the interface, and these informations are all about the interface. Thank you.